I just had to add a little extra for this video. Look at the traffic on that side. See, this isn't the need for a third lane. What, a third death lane? No, this is the need to have state troopers out here, because there's probably a state trooper there now. But if we could afford, with all the money that we have to blow, to actually put more of them out on our turnpikes, we could slow down these people. Just look at this side. Do you think they're doing 55, 65? I don't think so. We could prevent a lot of deaths on our turnpikes. But look at that traffic, it's building up. That has nothing to do with we have 1 lane, 2 lanes, or 3. That has the fact that Pennsylvania is irresponsible when it comes to hiring correct state troopers to be on our turnpikes as well as officers on our streets. Well, I hope they all got gas. Alright. Please, again, if you know anything about this accident, October 31st, 10 of 8, it was between 7:30 and 10 of, I started to hear I heard the alarms. Well, that guy's like stopping. And I heard the helivac. So, please add your comments so I know what the accident was and other people do.